What happens if my timing belt breaks? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Well, a timing belt is really kind of like a rubber chain, and instead of having links, it has teeth. And the reason it's called a timing belt is it actually times the camshaft to the crankshaft, so they spin at the right time. If your timing belt breaks, the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to need to call a tow truck. And the second thing that's going to happen is we're going to hope that your engine is designed so it doesn't do damage. Some engines, especially the higher performance ones, the valve is open, the piston comes up and hits the valve and bends the valve, and now you do serious engine damage. So at Mercie J, we suggest replacing your timing belt about every 90,000 miles to protect you from getting stranded on the road or doing damage to your engine. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.